If you are in the Philippines very long, there's a good chance that you're going to take a ferry trip, and there are many different ferry companies with different routes. To-go travel ferries shipping is one of the largest, and with some of the largest ships as well. So we're going to take a look at their ships. We're going to take a look at their schedules and how much does it cost. And I was kind of surprised. I went through this. On the accommodations, I was a little surprised. I thought it was going to be more than what it actually is. So anyway, let's go down here. They've got quite a number of ships, and they're very noticeable out there on the water. If you're anywhere near the water, you can see these ships, and they travel many of the islands, Manila to Cebu to Iloilo. And anyway, let's just look. Let's just take a look at a couple of these ships and accommodations. What you can get: stateroom, pretty nice, pretty nice. Tourist for two, and the cost is going to change a little bit accordingly. Obviously, business class for two bunk bed, business class for four, tourist for four, two bunk beds. Mega value, big room with bunk beds. Mega value is one room, probably many rooms like this with bunk beds. You got a clinic, medical clinic, I presume. Gear shop, if you want to buy some stuff. Horizon Cafe. KTV, karaoke, all right. Quick Mart, salon, sea breeze, if you want to sit out here and you got a view. You're inside, and but you got a view out those windows there. And sun deck up here, sun deck. You can get up there, and I did that with another Coquillon. I spent a little time up on their sun deck and just watching things go by. So let's check another one here, and each one is a little bit different. Stateroom, business class for two, mega value, Horizon Cafe, Island Fiesta, multi-purpose room, Quick Mart, and Sea Breeze. A little bit different. All right, and let's go down here to this one here. All right, business class for six, business class, and mega value, suite room. Okay, suite room, and tourist class for eight, cafe to go, Island Fiesta, Horizon Cafe, karaoke, Cultura, I think a gift shop, I think. Got a lounge here, and Min, Min, Miniso gift shop, I guess. Quick Mart, Sky Lounge, that's kind of cool. And a video arcade. I don't think it's a casino. It's a video arcade. It might be a casino type setup. Not sure. Anyway, there's just for instance, one of these ferries going from Cebu City to Manila is I think about 22 hours, I believe, when I checked their schedules. And let's go over and take a look at it. So this is accommodations, and let's go to home, and we can do some online booking, which we'll do here shortly. And here you can get an idea where they go. Manila, Bacolod, Bacolod, Manila, Bacolod, Cagayan de Oro, Manila, Butuan, Butuan, Manila, and yeah, they're a very, very, very long list. So let's book something here. Let's say we're going to go to from Cebu to Manila. Manila, select sailing month, September. Let's go October. Search. And gives us October 1st on a Tuesday, about noon, and gets to Manila the following day, October 2nd at 10 a.m. And yeah, let's just book that and see what it costs here. Looks like I have to start over. Please be informed that pier assignment for Cebu departure is at Pier 3, Terminal 2 building, North Reclamation Area. And Manila, September, no, they didn't. I'll just leave it at that. Uh, 2 passengers. Yep, I'm going to put, 2 passengers with insurance. I'm going to leave that there. Book now. All right, select from the list available accommodations of your chosen trip. Cebu to Manila, departure time, arrival time, vessel, voyage number 75, and then you can choose your, and it gives the prices up here, which is kind of nice. But here's what amazed me is there's very little difference in prices. Mega value class with all these bunks with a lot of other people you don't know, 1,432. Business class for two, 1,512. Very little difference. Tourist class 1,432.49. Business class for four 1,512.86. So let's go business class for two. All right, and that filled in net fare 1512, security fee 30, fuel surcharge 102, insurance 20 pesos, web admin fee 267, vatable amount 1,933, total vatable amount, because you got two, so you'll multiply times 2, 3,867. So the VAT is 12%, 464. So what's that? About $8, and they don't have a terminal fee. So total for two people, 4,331.22 pesos, about $80, less than $80. Meals and linen, number and availability of meals vary according to schedule. Linen inclusive except for seat accommodation. Data privacy. One-way trip. Completely fill in the required passenger details. To avail the senior citizen discount, enter the ID of the passengers, OSCA. You have to fill in your passenger details, your name, your gender, your age. So back to their home page. There again, they've got schedule updates, promos, apprenticeship program. Yeah, maybe you want to get a job on the boat. MICE stands for meetings, incentives, conferences, and events. And if you want to contact them for online ticketing, ticket delivery, reservation schedules, and rates, you can call them or send them an email. Bounce back over, take one more look. MV St. Michael the Archangel, stateroom, suite room, tourist, cabin for four, seat. Okay, that's interesting. Didn't see that on the other. I suspect that they had seats available as well on the other ships, but didn't show it. And then super value, mega value. Not sure what the difference is there, but apparently there is some difference, perhaps location on the on the ship and how convenient it is. Prayer room and salon.